What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. Ooh. My Fenty stuff came. So if y'all don't know, Rihanna came out with a hair care line. It's called Fenty Hair, and I got some of her products. Now, I did not get the whole line because the whole line, I feel like the whole line wasn't needed for my hair. I already opened them, obviously, and I already smelled them, and they smell absolutely divine. But I'm gonna share them with you because that's what I do on this channel. So yeah, the first thing I got was the Fenty Hair, the richer one. So this is the deep conditioner. Okay, this is the deep treatment mask. Really nice, really nice, really nice. And I like that it's a pop top, and her prices were affordable as well. So I like that it's a pop top, so I don't lose the top. And this stuff smells absolutely divine. Everything smells the same. Oh my gosh. I need a moment. Yes, so this is the deep treatment, and she's thick. Okay, she smells divine. I cannot wait to use this mask. I hope the scent smells in my hair. With a lot of hair products that I use, the scent doesn't really linger, but I hope this one does. Now, like I said, I like that this is a pop top, so it's easy to open, easy to close. And this is really nice as well because you can tell your products apart by the top here. So if you're in the shower and you buy the shampoo and you buy the conditioner, you can tell which one is which, because if you have soap in your eyes and you're in the shower, you already know that's a disaster. You're not trying to read the products if you know your hair is wet and all that other stuff. So if your eyes are closed, you can just feel around and see which one is which, and bam. I like that. I really do. But I don't really wash my hair in the shower often. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I feel. But yeah, so this is 11 ounces. And I cannot wait. I want to read the directions because I want to see. A lot of y'all be like, oh, I leave my deep conditioner in for 30 minutes. Baby, after like 10, 20 max, it's not doing nothing for your hair. I promise you it's not. So let me go ahead and read the directions. For external use only, use as directed. Avoid eye area in case of reload it with moisture to soften, repair, and promote damage. Where are the directions? Am I missing something? Oh, no, it ain't on. Maybe the directions are on the website, but I mean, this is self-explanatory. But I just wanted to see, because I know no deep conditioner says leave it in for 30 minutes. Y'all know I hate the ice cream truck. Please ignore it like I'm trying to do. Okay, but this doesn't say anything about directions. I don't see any. So yeah, but I got the deep conditioner, and this is gonna last me a minute because I don't deep condition every week anyway. I use regular conditioner. So yeah, I deep condition every once in a while, or every like 3 months, or every time I have a protective style, I deep condition my hair. So yeah. I don't know why, but the ice cream truck just infuriates me. and I'm waiting on it to leave. So the next thing that I got is the curl defining cream. I've seen a lot of people using this as a wash and go. I don't use wash and goes. I don't do wash and goes on my hair, so that's a no-go. We're gonna do a good old twist out with this product. And this, it comes with like these little sealed plastic tops. And this smells good as well. The consistency, she's pretty thick. She's pretty thick, but she has some movement to it. I cannot wait to try this. I'm so freaking excited. And also it comes with the pop top as well. And this is called the Home Curl. Cute name. So yeah, y'all need to stay tuned because I'm definitely going to be doing a twist out with these products. If you want to do a wash and go, that's fine, but like I said, I don't do wash and goes. I don't really like wash and goes. So yeah, that's not what I'm gonna do. The next thing that I got is the edge control. This says the controlling type. It's a hair thickening edge control. So just by off of the name, you see it says hair thickening edge control. Just off of the name, I don't think this is going to be very I don't think this is gonna be a strong hold. I'm just gonna say that I don't think this is gonna be a strong hold because it's a hair thickening edge control. So I think it's going to moisturize and thicken your edges. I feel like this is more of a repair edge control rather than an edge control that's gonna hold, you know what I mean? But we'll see. We'll definitely see. We shall definitely see. It also comes with the plastic here, and then you have this smells just like the other products. Yeah, this smells just like the other products. So everything pretty much smells the same. The only reason why I would get the shampoo and conditioner is because of the smell, honestly, because I don't need any more shampoo and I don't need any more conditioner. But the only reason I would get the shampoo and conditioner is specifically because of the smell, because these products smell absolutely divine. So everything has a, hold on. Everything has a QR code, so I'm assuming this is for if you want more information on the products. So I really like that. And it has demonstrations. Obviously, step 1, apply your edges with your finger and use the edge brush. Oh, the last but not least, I got the edge brush. This was not needed, but I keep losing my edge brushes, and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and get it because it was cute. And yeah, but it comes like this. The bristles are nice and sturdy. That's what we love when we are looking for edge brushes. It says Fenty hair, and it also has this tip so you can part your hair if you need to, any which way. And I really like that. I really think I'm gonna enjoy this, and I feel like I'm actually gonna keep up with this one because it was $18. So typically edge control brushes are like at the beauty supply store. They're nice, but the quality, I'm noticing this is like over time, this ain't really doing it for me. So yeah, and I don't know, it's cute. I like that I can part with it. You know, I can make my part down the middle if I need to. And yeah, and that's it. That is literally everything that I got from Fenty hair. I cannot wait to try everything and do my review products. I think my review is going to be pretty good. Now, mind you, you don't have to get everything. You can get what you know you're gonna use. So I know I need deep conditioner. I was like, let me go ahead and get the deep conditioner. I know I need well, I don't need a curl cream, but I was like, I know for a fact I want to try the curl cream. So I went ahead and got the curl cream, and I know for a fact that I wanted to try the edge control. So I went ahead and got the edge control. Get things that you know you're gonna gravitate towards. You don't have to necessarily get the whole collection. For example, they have a bond repair treatment. I didn't need that. My hair is already nice and healthy, so I did not need that. So it's like, why waste money on that? I know I don't need shampoo. I know I don't need conditioner. So it's like, why would I buy it? But I do think I'm gonna go ahead and buy the shampoo and the conditioner because they just smell so good. Yeah. So anyways, y'all, stay tuned. Wash day is literally upon us. Okay, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know, have you tried Fenty hair? Are you going to? Why or why not? Let me know, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.